Let me show you how to make this super effective Moroccan brightening black soap that will help you brighten your skin, even out your skin tone, and also help to treat certain skin reactions such as skin rashes with very few ingredients. Now, the difference between this and our normal African black soap is the fact that we actually use the Moroccan base instead of our African black soap base. If you want to learn how to make this Moroccan base, feel free to send us a DM to purchase the formula. Now, don't forget to hit the follow button, hit the subscribe button, wherever it is that you're watching us from, Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. If you want to see more videos like this as it pertains to making cosmetic products such as hair care products, lip care products, skincare products, weight loss and weight gain products, whatever products, feminine care products, if that is what you aim to learn, then you should hit the follow button, hit the subscribe button, and also turn on your notification bell so that you do not miss out whenever we post a new video. If you're also looking forward to going into the spa business, or you're looking forward to becoming an esthetician, this is also the place that you should be. Hit the follow button, hit the subscribe button, as we're going to be teaching you from time to time how to launch your own spa business, structure, grow, and scale. Now let's get into the real video. In a clean bowl, add in your Moroccan base soap. Now, Moroccan base soap comes in both white and in black, but here in Nigeria, we're very familiar with the white type. If you want to learn how to make this black type, send us a message. It is super moisturizing. It is friendlier on the skin, unlike our normal African black soap, and has a lot of amazing properties. Then we're going to go in with our Ghana white soap, or what we call the hash bowl. The hash bowl will help to improve the foaming properties of this soap, because the Moroccan black soap on its own tend not to foam very well. Up next, we're going to be adding in our turmeric powder. Already, you know what turmeric does. Turmeric is very effective for skin brightening. It helps with the fading of cellulite. It's a wonderful natural skin ingredient. It also helps to treat rashes. Turmeric is like a powerhouse. And what is even a black soap without turmeric? Up next, we're going to be going in with our licorice powder. Licorice powder is a very strong lightening agent. It's a natural strong lightening agent, and it will help to even out the skin tone. It will help to brighten the skin. It will help to also fade with very mild to minimal hyperpigmentation. Now, I'm going to be telling a secret, but in the version of this particular video that will be posted in our paid class, I'll be telling you a secret on how to elevate and transform this soap and take it to the next level. But it's only going to be available in the version of this video that will be posted on our paid class. Meanwhile, registration to join the May batch of our physical class is currently ongoing. If you want to learn how to become a skincare product formulator, or a hair care product formulator, a lip care product formulator, or a spa therapist, whether you want to start offering services such as facials, such as microneedling, chemical peels, such as pedicure, waxing, massage, then you need to send us a DM right now. Hit this button, send us a message, and get registered. May class start soon. Registration will close real soon, so do not miss out on this golden opportunity to elevate and transform your skill. The next thing you want to add is your MSM. MSM is your white sulfur. Do I need to tell you in 2026 again that if you're still using yellow sulfur, you're putting your black soap at risk of smelling? That very bad odor you're getting from your black soap is because of that yellow sulfur that you're using in your formulation. All right, I'm spilling too many secrets. Again, we are going to be spilling lots of secrets in the version of this video that will be posted on our paid group. At this point, we're going to be adding in our honey. Make sure you're buying pure honey. Make sure the honey you're buying is 100% honey, not that thing they are mixing nowadays. Now, honey is going to act as a humectant to make the soap even much more moisturizing, and it's also going to come in with a lot of antibacterial properties. I mean, I should not be educating you about the benefits of honey at this point in your career, especially if you're not new to this business. Honey is a powerhouse. You want to give this a very good mix, and after that you want to go in with your fragrance, because the Moroccan base soap has a very strong olive smell, and we want to make sure that that is not what is saturating the entire place when you have your bath. So we're going in with our fragrance, and for this particular soap I went in with our Pierre's baby fragrance. And finally we went in with our preservative, and for this particular soap I worked with phenoxyethanol to preserve the shelf life of this particular product. At this point, you're going to transfer to your mortar and your pestle and give it a very good mix, depending on the mixer you're using. So if you have an industrial mixer, perfect. If you have a bigger mixer, perfect. Just transfer to your mixing tool and give it a really good mix. Now, there's also another secret that I'm going to be spilling in the paid class. At this point, I'm going to tell you what to do to elevate this soap, to make sure that your soap does not only cleanse the skin, but it also does what it says it is going to do. If you're interested in that secret, the version of this particular video with the secrets will be posted on our paid group, and I'm going to be giving a 50% discount for anybody that will be registering to join our skincare product formulation class this week. So this is 3rd May, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th. From now to the 7th of May, that 50% discount will be on. Our class is currently selling at 200,000, so you're getting it at 100,000 if you're registering between now to the 7th of this month. So 7th of May, between 3rd to 7th of May. It's not people that will see this video on the 10th of May or next month and they'll still be asking for this discount. The discount will be very unavailable. So get it at 100,000 for the online skincare class and get access to everything Feliemac Beauty School as it pertains to skincare. And before I go, registration to join our Maize Badge physical class in the city of Port Harcourt, Rivers State, Nigeria is currently ongoing. Registration will close real soon and the classes will begin real soon. If I were you, if I'm interested in building a career in skincare product formulation, hair care product formulation, or beauty therapy, whether you're going for basic spa or advanced spa, you want to learn how to do proper facials, pedicure, manicure, waxing, massage, chemical peel, microneedling, treat stretch marks in the clinical way, then this class is for you. Send us a message right now, like now, to secure your spot. We're only taking 5 students per class. So send us a message right now to secure your spot. Registration closes real soon and classes begins real soon.